Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about line and stacked column chart, and we have also covered some few differences about normal stack chart and line and stacked column chart. I hope guys now you are cleared with the difference of both the charts. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will learn about next visual of Power BI, which name is line and clustered column chart. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this line and clustered column chart. So this chart is exactly same like line and stacked column chart, where we can also compare the trends of our business of past months, quarter, days or an year with two measurable value along with legends. But here is the only difference guys, in line and clustered column chart we can see the bars in clusters. But in stacked column chart guys, we cannot see the bars in clusters. So here cluster means guys the group of bars. And now let's see the practical. So let's go to this line and clustered column chart page. And here you guys can see I have already taken this visual from this visualization pane, which name is line and clustered column chart. And here we have the same parameters guys like line and stacked column chart, which is x-axis, column y-axis, line y-axis and column legends. And this small multiple and tooltips guys is same for every visual. So if you guys wanna know about these two features guys in detail, so you can watch this visualization playlist from scratch. I have already covered these two features in initial videos. In today's class guys, I am not gonna cover these small multiple and tooltips. And now let's quickly create this chart. So under x-axis guys, I will take any date column here. So let me expand this sales table and I will take order date here. And under column y-axis guys, I will take any measurable value. So I am taking sales field here. Now here you can see it is displaying the total sales of 2022 year. And now guys, I want to see the trends on month wise. So from this date hierarchy guys, I will remove this year, quarter and day. And I will keep only this month column. And now we guys can see month wise sales. And here you can see guys, in January our sales is 50k, in February our sales is 28k. So in this way guys, we can see month wise sale. And let's suppose guys, you want to see the trends with the help of any measurable value. So you guys can take any measurable value from here, or you guys can create any other measure and simply drag and drop here in line y axis. So I will take this cost column from here and drag and drop here in line y axis. And here you guys can see the trend line on the top of the bars. And now we guys can easily compare the trends of the past few months of cost with sales. So in January guys, our cost is 77k. But in February guys, our cost has reduced, which is 22k. But again in March guys, our cost has again increased. So in this way guys, you guys can compare two measurable value under one chart, which is exactly seems to be like other normal bar charts. So here is no change in their design. And now I will add one more field here. So under this column legend guys, I will take this product column. And now you guys can see the change in this visual. Here are some other bar graphs are added into the clusters. So in January guys, we have sold only bread, which displays in blue color. And in yellow color guys, we have sold butter. So in a similar way guys, this purple color represent cake. And we can also compare the cost with sales with products. So in a similar way guys, you can compare other month sale with product. Let's say April. So in April guys, we have only sold milk and the total cost is 57k. So in this way guys, we can compare the two measurable value under one graph. And we can also see the trends of the previous past month, quarter and year. And here in one minor difference guys between this line and stacked column chart and line and clustered column chart. So if I go here in this stacked line column chart, so here you can see the total sales is 688k. And here in y axis guys, here you can see the values. So the last value is 140k. which is nearest to this total sum of sales. But here in line and clustered column chart guys, the value is just near to the highest sale. Here you can see the highest sale in this graph is 119k in the month of November. And here in y-axis guys, we can see the value is just closer to this 90k, which is 120k. So in this tagged line column chart guys, y-axis changes the value according to the total sales. But here in clustered and column chart guys, y-axis changes the value according to the highest sales in our graph. I hope guys now you are clear with the visuals and its differences. And now guys, let's talk about some formatting of this visual. So guys, formatting is exactly same like other previous visuals. So we have mostly covered all the formatting in the previous videos. If you guys have not watched it yet, so I would recommend please go and watch from the scratch. Or you guys can explore more yourself about this visual formatting. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this video and learned depth knowledge about this line and clustered column chart visual. So for such kind of learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if I click here on this playlist guys, and here you guys can see the multiple playlist. Here under this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can take depth knowledge about DAX functions from scratch. And with the help of this updates Power BI playlist guys, you guys can take latest update about Power BI. So whatever the updates is coming guys, you will also find here in this update playlist. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am trying to cover each and every information about the visual. And those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview questions and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and training. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with scenario based questions. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.